Here is a wonderful 2015 Honda Odyssey. With less than 120,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a close look at this Honda Odyssey. It's the dynamic family minivan that sets the standard for safety, comfort, and convenience. From its smart technology to its ingenious passenger luxuries and powerful performance, this family vehicle has your back. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: power liftgate, electronic stability control, Bluetooth, leather seats, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Your family deserves the best in safety and comfort. Take the Honda Odyssey out for a test drive today.